Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you the latest in beauty tools, from skincare essentials to grooming gadgets. Today, we're going to talk about a game changer in the world of hair removal, the Conair GIRLBOMB Epilator with Ice Roller. If you've ever struggled with stubble or dreaded the discomfort of traditional hair removal methods, you're in the right place. This three-piece kit promises smoother skin and less pain with its unique features. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Conair GIRLBOMB Epilator is designed for women who want to achieve salon-smooth skin without the hassle of frequent shaving. The key feature here is the 40 precision tweezers that work to remove hair at the root, providing up to 6 weeks of smoothness. This device comes with 2 speed settings, making it customizable for different areas of the body, low for sensitive areas and high for legs and arms. It also includes a sensitive skin attachment for delicate areas, which is a nice touch for those who are more prone to irritation. One of the standout features is the ice roller attachment. Simply pop it in the freezer and once chilled, attach it to the epilator. It's designed to soothe your skin while you epilate, reducing discomfort and making the entire process much more comfortable. For those of you with sensitive skin, this roller can make a big difference, easing redness and irritation both before and after the hair removal process. In terms of convenience, this epilator is cordless and rechargeable. The lithium-ion battery gives you up to 60 minutes of use on a full charge, which is perfect for getting the job done without having to worry about being tethered to an outlet. Charging takes just 4 hours, so it's quick to power up when you need it. And if you do run out of battery, you can always plug it in for uninterrupted use. Now, let's talk about my real-world experience with the Conair GIRLBOMB Epilator. The first thing I noticed was how comfortable it felt in my hand. The ergonomic grip is perfectly designed, making it easy to hold and maneuver around your body. I tested it on my legs and underarms, and the results were impressive. The low speed was gentle enough for underarms, while the high speed made quick work of my legs. The tweezers are efficient, removing even the finest hairs with minimal discomfort. And here's where the ice roller really shines. It significantly reduced the typical sting that comes with epilation. My skin was left feeling soothed and much less irritated than with other epilators I've tried. I also loved that the sensitive skin attachment allowed me to be more precise around areas like my bikini line without worrying about nicks or redness. There are a few things to note. For one, the battery life could be a bit longer. 60 minutes is great, but if you have larger areas to cover, you may need to recharge halfway through. Also, the epilator is a bit on the loud side, which could be off-putting if you're looking for a super quiet device. But overall, these are minor inconveniences considering the performance. When it comes to value for money, the Conair GIRLBOMB Epilator is a solid choice. It's reasonably priced for an epilator that combines precision, comfort, and versatility. The added ice roller and the rechargeable design are unique features that give it an edge over many of its competitors. For the price, you're getting a high-quality device that delivers smooth skin with minimal irritation. If you're someone who's hesitant to invest in an epilator due to the discomfort associated with the process, this one might just change your mind. The ice roller alone is worth the price if you have sensitive skin or just want a more pleasant experience. However, if you're looking for a device with longer battery life or quieter operation, you might want to explore other options. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Now, if you're not sold on the Conair GIRLBOMB Epilator, there are some great alternatives. For a lower price, you might want to try the Braun Silk Epil 9, which offers similar results, but with a longer battery life and a wider epilation head. But honestly, the GIRLBOMB stands out with its ice roller, making it a unique offering in the market. In conclusion, the Conair GIRLBOMB Epilator with ice roller is a solid choice for anyone looking for a pain-reduced epilator experience. It's easy to use, provides long-lasting results, and the added ice roller helps soothe the skin while you work. I'd recommend it for anyone looking for a more comfortable, effective way to remove hair, especially if you struggle with sensitive skin. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.